Welcome back everyone, this is 1074. In today's video we're going to be taking a quick look and unboxing of the brand new UV-5R from Baofeng. This is the 4th generation of UV-5R from Baofeng, and they've actually named this one the Black Knight. So let's take a closer look at it. So first off, for those of you that are aware, they always come with the same stuff. So you get your user manual. Let's put the radio to one side for a second. You pretty much get everything that you need. A small headset, a hand strap. Now this is not needed for the new UV-5R. We'll come to that in a minute. Antenna, your usual belt clip, charger, and the dock. So let's take a look at the radio. Like I said, this is the 4th edition of the UV-5R, and it's a very popular radio with ham radio licensees. I'm very new to being licensed. I passed my M7 in October. Straight away, for those of you that are quite aware of the styling of the UV-5R, there's a few differences already, but for those of you that might not be familiar with it, this is the original UV-5R. Straight off the bat, a couple of little changes that I can see. The moulding is completely different. They've changed the moulding of this altogether, but ultimately underneath both radios they're exactly the same. This is my original UV-5R. I've had this almost 3 years, and it served me well. It's been a great little radio. Now straight away, between the two of them, as you can see, there's a couple of little changes. The VFO and memory mode button is in the same place, as is the light, the little indicator light. The A and B VFO mode button is in the same spot, but you might also notice something's missing. The band button's missing. So they've ditched the band button, and also the keypad is slightly smaller. The buttons are a lot smaller. Now, having a look at this online, I did notice a few differences, but I'll just quickly point them out. So everything is pretty much in the same place, as you can see. On the side we've still got the speaker and microphone sockets, and on the opposite side we've still got all the regular buttons that you would need. Now on the top is the biggest difference. Now, I'm just going to leave that there for a second. Notice it yet? On the new version, they've ditched the torch. Now, the torch was really handy, I'm going to be honest, but they've pretty much ditched it. Now, there's one other difference. And again, I'll leave it to you to see if you can spot it. They've also ditched the hand strap mounting point, as you can see. So there's no way of mounting it to a hand strap unless you hook it through the belt clip, but apart from that, that's gone as well. So those are the main differences between the two. And oh yeah, the other difference is the screen, but I'm going to come back to that in a minute. So I'm going to go away now and quickly hook this up to Chirp, quickly program it, and I'll bring you back. For those that are familiar with UV-5R, other Baofeng radios, not just the UV-5R, but and Chirp, you'll know that it's the easiest piece of software you can use, and it works flawlessly. Right, the biggest difference with this UV-5R than the others is this. inverted screen. Now I know this has been on other Baofengs, but I believe this is the first time that it has been introduced to the UV-5R. So it's quite a nice screen, to be honest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly hook up a speaker microphone, and we are going to attempt to open up a local repeater to me that's about maybe 1.5 miles away, 2 miles. But sometimes I do have problems opening it on a small rubber duck, but we'll give it a go. Okay guys, quick on-air test. Now, I don't know if this is going to work, but we will give it a go. This is GB3BR, which is the local 70cm analog repeater, and it's located in Brighton. So we're going to give it a quick shot and see if we can open it from here. So without further ado, I will get on with it. M7 MMC, checking repeater access on BR. That's quite surprising, because I've tried that before from this room on a rubber duck, and it's been I've not been able to open it. So that's actually quite a surprise to me. But there we go, there we have it. That is pretty much it, and all I can really say about the new UV-5R. It just looks more professional than, I guess, the older ones that looked a little bit more kind of like more of a toy. I don't know if you get what I mean, but I think it looks a little bit more professional, and I really like that new screen. But if this video was of any use to you or any help, then please consider dropping a like below. So that's it for this video. So this is Charlie Tango 1074, and I will catch you guys in the next one. So 73s for now.